I normally say that we are a lot more than just buying a software. We are a partner, and we make sure that every content that you made on social media, on your web shop, is actually something where you can earn money, but also make sure that you're building up a beautiful community. But yeah, Spree is a lot of stuff.
Normally, when I speak with Nordic retailers that's considering starting live shopping, often people focus a lot about just the sales that they're getting out of live shopping, but also building the community, all the spillover effects, all the data points they're retracting from the audience, and getting that closeness with the community as well.
Okkur fannst það mjög spennandi og okkur fannst það bara góð leið til að ná nýjum viðskiptavinum inn og til að kynna vöruvalið okkar. Eiginlega allt kom á óvart, sko. Þetta var fyrsta sinn sem við gerum þetta. Spree hjálpaði okkur alla leiðina og stóðu með okkur. Þannig að án þeirra höfum við bara ekki getað þetta.